What's up guys, this is Sarah from Brad. Today I'm going to show you a free flow air filter which is called Simota. Basically it's made in Taiwan and it costs you around 20 to 30 or $35, depends on which country you live in. So this is the filter. It's plug and play. It's for FZ16 Fzs in India and Bangladesh, and what you call this bison from Indonesia. It's completely plug and play. Let's go and check this out, how it's built and why would you buy this. Is it a good well for money or not? It's made of good quality mesh and it comes with a lifetime warranty and you don't need to change it once you install it. It gives you a bit of acceleration and a bit gain in top, but it doesn't make your bike a Superman. Trust me, it does not. So this is a good value for money, I would say, because you don't need to change the air filter in the whole lifetime. I like around 2 lakh kilo or something like that. You can see that this is high quality material. I would say I find it better than Canon, to be very honest with you guys. It doesn't move at all and it lasts very long, very long, I would say. And there's so many positive reviews till now, and it's a very renowned company, I would say. So it's thumbs up for me. Filters. Hope you like the video. Please do subscribe and click the bell icon for the next videos of all the performance upgrade personal. This is Arwad signing off from now. Hope to catch you soon in the next video, man. Cheers.